Their birthday invitation, be. I just mixed up their birthday so that I'll just have one time. Hadasa yan siya, Hadasa. Kaya lang gusto niya Grace in person. Magical daw. So, I'll just put a castle background. Tapos may maano cake. And then, ito yung schedule.
Look at Lydia's an eyelash.
What's that? I forgot. Yeah, for their birthday. It's going to be all together, the three of them. Very first birthday din ni David. Kasi hindi makakareklamo si David. David won't have he will just say yes to everything. Wala pa siyang friends diba? Ayan. For their birthday.
David's inviting.
David, beautiful friends. Look at David. He's hiding. I gave him a lot of food. He had apples. He had bread. What else? Oh, we had chips, milk. And now he's sitting like a boss. Are you sitting like a boss? He's playing. Playtime. We love you, David. Have a great day, beautiful friends. Take care every day. We love you. Alam mo ba, parang ayoko nang sumali. Parang lutong Macau. Parang ayoko na. Nag-iisip-isip ako kung worth it na kumanta-kanta ka doon. Ayoko mag-makeup, ayoko mag-dress. 'Di ba? Ganun ako kapag hindi ako na-appreciate, lumalayas ako. Ayan. Wala kasi parang may sinabing hindi masyadong, lahat naman sinabihan ng okay. Kasi yung parang may feedback yung mga judges. May isa lang doon, kalahi natin. Minsan pag kalahi mo pa yung mag-aano sa'yo, no? Ewan ko sa inyo, naranasan nyo na yan. David, we love you. Basta yun lang. Parang ayoko na. Parang, tsaka hindi pa nag-heal masyado yung throat ko, 'di ba? Parang ayoko kasi parang hindi worth it. Ayoko. Yung time mo, 'di ba? Pagka ginamit po yung time mo, gusto mo dun sa makabuluhan. Makabuluhan. Tsaka pag may naranasan ako hindi maganda, ayoko na. Tumatakas ako, be. Ayan, si David. He's playing. Okay, we love you, beautiful friends. Take care every day.